Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catpaw token. Now the Catpaw token is going to start their pre-sale soon on pinksale.finance, and they already have a central exchange listing confirmed. I did verify it, so they are being listed on a very big central exchange after this pre-sale. They have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on the Catpaw token and a couple different ways that you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Catpaw token, it says, cats leave paw prints on our hearts. Swifty's alpha team previous project did 258 times, listed on CoinMarketCap, well-connected Solana dev, Bitmart listing confirmed, LP burned, no team tokens, no private sale, 30% liquidity, 30% buyback, and 40% of the tokens go to marketing. Millions fans following worldwide. Fair launch will be stopped at any time. Be lucky, buy early, buy at the launch. Catpaw will be trending all over. So this pre-sale is about to start in, well, it says 16 hours from recording this video here, which is exactly April 3rd, 16 hours UTC time. Now it's going to go here for 2 days, 1 hour, but they also said they could stop it any time if they feel like it. Soft cap is 20 SOL. There's no hard cap. And so yeah, pre-sale will start 16 hours April 3rd, go for 2 days, 1 hour. And shortly after, it'll be listed on Bitmart. Now, this is a public pre-sale. Max buy is 5 SOL. They have a full audit by CFG Ninja. And you could check out the full audit on PinkSale there. They have a Telegram. And their Telegram is at Catpaw Meme. They have 90 subscribers so far. It says, be positive and leave your footprints that last, collecting paw of all the cute, furry, wild cats worldwide. You can preview their Telegram channel. That's a great place to see updates. Now, they have here their audit. It says they got 80% on their audit, so it's not perfect. There is one informational warning and one high warning, so be aware of that. Not a perfect audit. There is risks with this token here. It says, I don't know if it's resolved. It hasn't been resolved yet. It says acknowledged and pending for both of the things, so they haven't resolved them yet. So let's see what they are. It says no buy and sell taxes. So if you missed this pre-sale, first of all, and you're looking to get this token, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it shortly after the pre-sale is over on Raydium by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is catpaw.xyz. Now you probably won't have to set slippage because it said no taxes. So on their audit, it says audit confidence is only 2 out of 5 stars. It says low, and their audits, the warnings there, they're only partially resolved, it says here. They didn't resolve this stuff yet. So you can click on view findings. View, where's the file? Okay, well, I mean, it's not even telling me what the warnings are here. But anyways, there's 4 decimal places on this token. Catpaw is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Let's go over this here. It's got 22 visits to this audit. Doesn't tell me what I mean, who makes these CFG Ninja audits, then they don't tell you what the findings are. Okay, so click on View Findings, and it says no findings found. Ridiculous. So now I have to click on View Audit again. But yes, also, while I'm looking this up, in the meantime, this token was announced that they are getting an upcoming listing on Bitmart. So on Bitmart's Twitter, they did confirm this. It says, Bitmart is thrilled to announce the upcoming Catpaw listing. So they don't give an exact date yet of when the exact listing is, but it is going to be coming soon. So just be aware of that. So it says here, the high warning on their audit, it says, when they get a high warning, it says, be careful or fail test. So something bad happened here. I wish they could tell. Okay, so it says they passed a bunch of stuff. So it says anti-whale not detected, anti-bot not detected, blacklisting not detected. Now they say here 3 holders, audit confidence is low, external call self-destructs and others not detected, hidden owner. I mean, what's the warning here? Only 3 holders? I mean, this is a very strange audit. 2 unresolved, high-risk vulnerabilities. Could harm the thing here. Okay, well. Total locked. Maybe it's the total amount locked. More pages. I got to click on more pages. Just tell me what the warnings are. You know what I'm saying? Where is it? Yeah, scroll all over the place. Okay, here we go. So Metaplex metadata. Okay, so is that it? It's worth noting. Oh my lord. Anyways, if I don't want to scroll through this forever. But yes, so anyways, it looks like there might be a warning with the metadata here. Technical findings. Jeez, this is ridiculous. Okay, centralization privilege. That's what's fine. I had to scroll through 18 pages to find this. So it says detected. The high risk is the centralized privilege. So basically it says all of the Catpaw tokens are sent to the contract deployer when deploying the contract. This could be a centralized risk, as the deployer can distribute the tokens without obtaining the consensus of the community. So basically they're saying, like when the pre-sale is over, this is what I believe they're saying, the dev or the contract deployer can do whatever they want with the token. So basically, like, they're not fully locked. So it says, we recommend the team be transparent regarding the initial token distribution process, and the team shall make enough efforts to restrict the access of the private key. So basically, like, the lock and burn, that hasn't been done yet is what they're saying. So that's the high risk. And then there's an informational risk in the coding style, it says here. So, and it says the Mint Authority is responsible for creating new tokens. It does not affect the ability to update the token metadata, so that's what the metadata warning was. So those are the 2 big warnings there. The highest risk one is, basically they need to lock and burn the tokens, and yeah. So, I mean, they could be just waiting to do it after the pre-sale, but just be aware that is a big risk. They are getting this Bitmart listing, so hopefully before it gets listed on Bitmart, they do the lock and burn and all that type of stuff. Anyway, 63% of the tokens goes to pre-sale, 17.95% goes to liquidity, 4% central exchanges, 10% marketing, 5% charity. So they're going to give to charity. Well, they say anyways. Their Twitter, you can follow us in the corner of the screen at Catpaw Meme. They have their Telegram there, a full link tree, just joined in January. Already have over 5,200 holders, 30 tweets on there. And yeah, check out their pre-sales. Going to start too. It's very much just a meme token. They're going to give to charity, they say here as well. On their webpage, they have white paper, partners, roadmap, how to buy off Raydium. In case you didn't understand what I said, you can follow that on their webpage. There's no taxes. And yeah, see on their page there, it says 100% safe. So it's strange how they tokens make these claims like we're 100% safe, but then they have an 80% audit. You know what I mean? You should say you're 80% safe if you have an 80% audit, right? Let's not kid ourselves here. And then it's because most people just see the audit and they don't read it. Now, they have a roadmap on here, starting with white paper, website, token deployment, then audit, Bitmart listing, pink sale, marketing, Raydium, massive campaign, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, trending, shilling, more holders, meme competitions, more central exchanges. So very much just a meme token, not a lot of utility coming out on their roadmap. But go check it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.